business, and my lord, that's when there was ascertainment of who he was, and that information was brought to our knowledge, my lord. My lord, especially from the first hand, he was indicating that they were still in the process of doing investigations as to where he was and as to who had abducted him. So the position that we have still established is that he had been abducted. And
so where is this person? You should lead us to something instead of what you see. So
my lord, what
you are going to record that is this person.
He has
what happened?
My lord, he was taken to
You don't know, he's telling us don't know that we don't ask any questions.
My lord, at least I know he got preliminary medical attention at Mama Lucy, but now he's actually he was discharged and he's at home as we speak, so he's safe and sound as we speak. He's not in custody, he's not in any captivity as we speak. Yes, he had extreme injuries and
not to work. I need something to show me that.
He has, and my lord, that's why my instructions.
He went for medical attention.
Yes.
He was discharged.
He was discharged, I think. Yes.
And later discharged.
And later